Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel International Opportunity Hub. My name is Akib Shehzad, and today I'm here to tell you about HEC Scholarship Program that is for the Pakistani students. HEC Scholarship Program for USA 2022. The deadline is extended, and that is a fully funded program. Good news, HEC Scholarship for USA 2022 deadline is extended. Yes, you have heard it right. Higher Education Commission invites application for scholarship in the top ranked universities of the United States of America. The scholarship is offering fully funded program in the United States of America. All male and female candidates seeking a fully funded PhD scholarship in the USA are eligible encouraged to apply for the HEC US Pakistan Knowledge Corridor fully funded PhD scholarship program. The scholarship are offered in the top universities like Harvard, MIT, Yale, Massachusetts, Princeton University, and other 250 plus top universities of the USA. The application process is online. All candidates must submit their form before 31st March 2022. The US PAK Corridor Scholarship by HEC aims to provide 1,500 PhD scholarship to the students in the top universities of the United States of America. A diverse range of academic fields and majors are offered in this fully funded scholarship in the USA. Higher Education Commission and the United States have partnered up to deliver grants to 1,000 researchers. In this scholarship program, students will be studying in the various domains that will qualify them to grow as individuals. The deadline for HEC US Pakistan Knowledge Corridor fully funded PhD scholarship was 28 February 2022, which has been extended to 31st March 2022. Students who have missed this opportunity now have other chances to apply for this wonderful opportunity. Therefore, don't miss out. We encourage all male and female candidates to apply for this fully funded PhD scholarship program in the USA. In this HEC scholarship, students can study in any field of their preference. Universities will cover the students, which include tuition fees, health insurance, monthly stipend. For more details regarding HEC scholarship for the USA, check the points mentioned below and apply accordingly. Details about HEC scholarship for USA 2022. The host organization is HEC and the US, and the host country is United States of America, and the financial coverage is fully funded, and the degree offered is PhD degree program. The deadline to apply for this scholarship program is 31st March 2022. The financial coverage are your monthly stipend and your health insurance, your settlement allowance, your tuition fee, and your airfare tickets. Eligibility criteria. All Pakistani nationals are eligible to apply for this HEC scholarship program. Candidate must have secured MS or MPhil from an HEC recognized university. Students with a minimum of 16 years of education can directly apply for the HEC US PAK Corridor Scholarship Program. Candidate age must not exceed 40 years, and candidate must have TOEFL and GRE with valid scores. Academic criteria for PAK-US Pakistan Corridor Scholarship Program is: students can calculate merit from HEC AEF calculator, no less than 50% marks in career, and no third grade and grade D in the academic record. Only 2 second division throughout the academic year are accepted. Application deadline for HEC US Scholarship is 31st March 2022. Application procedure: to apply for the HEC Scholarship US PAK fully funded Knowledge Corridor Scholarship, candidate must follow the following procedure. To apply, students need to send scanned copies of the application form with required document to the email address mentioned below, and the documents must be attested by the 17th grade gazetted officers. Students need to send a complete list of documents at once. Each university has its specific criteria, therefore students must fulfill university's criteria. To apply, interested candidate must visit the university official site before applying to select their area of choice and gather the required documents. For more details regarding the US PAK Knowledge Corridor Scholarship Program, eligibility criteria of financial coverage and deadlines, visit the official link. So go to official link. This is the US Pakistan Knowledge Corridor Scholarship PhD Scholarship Program. Here you can read here all the information are written here. Scholarship categories are category 1, category 2 and category 3. So guys, to apply for this scholarship program, I will share the link in my description how you can make an HEC login portal. So you must have to watch that video and you will understand that how you can apply for this US Pakistan Knowledge Corridor PhD Scholarship Program. So this is a very good opportunity for Pakistani students, those who want to continue their study for PhD in United States of America. So this is a very good opportunity. You have to take an HEC test. If you qualify the test, then inshallah maximum chances you will get the scholarship. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.